What is out-of-home advertising management? Those in the industry know that it's a highly complicated and elaborate process with loads of ins and outs, and success of your business depends on how well you do it. As a rule, advertising management implies tedious and time-consuming work that entails loads of paperwork and routine tasks. Managers have to keep a lot of information in their heads, and if there's too much of it, compile in monstrous Excel tables that after some time they themselves cannot discern. This has a negative impact on their work efficiency as well as state of mind. Our software is a comprehensive management tool that will help you handle and monitor all your business operations at all stages, from the first client call to advertisement placement and finally to making photo reports. It'll save your time and make the entire process absolutely clear. Management made easy. So how does it work? Information about your advertising inventory, either your own or rented, is stored in the software database. Managers can provide customers with up-to-date information about available advertising spaces selected according to the requirements, location, or other parameters within a click of a button and send it on the spot via built-in email client. Information about reservation of advertising spaces is updated in a real-time mode. In case the first client in the queue cancels their reservation, the next customer in the queue takes their place automatically. Contracts with customers are created automatically, sparing managers a good deal of time they usually have to spend on tedious paperwork after the deal is closed. What's more is that our software features a comprehensive system for installation work management. You can track and monitor all the steps of installation process from the moment of receiving advertising materials at the warehouse and assigning a work team to the date of installation. Our software is easy to use indeed. We organize training courses for managers and provide online tech support to make sure your business runs smoothly. The biggest advantage of using our software is that it saves managers a lot of time which they usually waste on tedious tasks and paperwork. With our software, they'll be free of this headache and will spend their time more efficiently, bringing in more profit for your company. And apart from that, transparency of all business operations allows you to control the entire work process of your company and make prompt strategic decisions. Manage your advertising business effectively.